Hello, I'm Ashiqur Rahaman. This is a short and simple discussion video that what is Google Tag Manager. So you will learn simply what is Google Tag Manager and why you need this and who need this basically. So we will learn everything. So for that, let's start from the beginning. So if we want to talk from the ad or marketing purpose, then this tool is used basically for marketers. Marketers use this as their daily need. So basically not every day, but you need this to implement your marketing analytics purpose. So for example, let's visit a website. So let's say this is our website and we sell various e-commerce products. So for example, I ran a ad. So if we run ad and want people to visit our website, then what you do or what you need to do, you need to do that. You track them. Why? This is a there is a very important marketing fundamental that whenever any people visit any kind of website and they leave it without any action or without any conversion, then you need to retarget them. Then your marketing budget or your marketing plan will success, because retargeting helps to give more sales with important revenue. That means you will get a good revenue by your ad. Because at the first time people don't buy. At first they get to know your product, then get to think about this product and think that they need this or not. After that they just simply purchase if you retarget them perfectly. So to retarget them you need their data, right? So to get their data you can use these tools. So this tool help you to retarget them for Facebook ads, for Google ads, for Pinterest ad, for LinkedIn ads, or any kind of platform, TikTok ads. So to help you connected or to help you track them, you need this. At first you have to use this to set up tag. So what is tag? Every platform has tag. For example, let's visit the website again. So here this is a tools from Meta Pixel Helper. So what is this and why you need this? So by this tool you can easily track your visitor from Meta and send this data to Meta or Facebook. So whenever a people visit here, a page view event fire and this data is sent to Facebook or Meta. Then Meta will know that I visited this page. So what will happen? I can run any ads and retarget them. So that is Google Tag Manager, and this is the purpose. So you can use this tool without coding or prior coding or without a lot of coding. You need some type of coding, but you don't need to be a real developer. So that is how you can use this. So when I visit Google Tag Manager, we can see several options. So come to workspace. In this workspace we can do the major work here. We can, in the left side we can see overview, tags, triggers, variables, folders, templates. Now here is a quick shortcut. If we click here we will go to quickly tags with this new option. So that means we will get this from this home page. Now editing, what we editing, we can create multiple workspace. So we will talk it about later. This is advanced, no problem. So what is our version and which type of work we have done previously? By clicking this you can see our previous work. So previously we did this work in this date. That is the version checker. We can go to our previous version if there something wrong, and this is our measurement ID. So every time we visit we can see this. So here is the latest changes. So there is not currently any change. So that is it now. And if I say tags, so what is tags? Tags is basically what kind of thing we want to track. That means if there is a page and someone visit this website, a specific contact page, So I want to track them. So how to track them? We want to track them by Google tags. So this is it. But when Google Tag Manager know that I submitted this form, so that need to trigger. So a specific event when will happen, then this trigger will fire, and after firing we will connect this with tags, then this will send data. That's it. So variable, what is variable? Variable is a value options. That means whenever we want to send dynamic value, we need to send value also, because it will help us to track. So that is why we need variables. So we have two options: built-in variables and user defined variables. We can create variables by our own from data layer, that is different thing. And we can also um, create built-in variables. That means we can get some information about the website after I mean after installing this on our website. So that is it. So now, by the way, if you want to know how to track contact form submission, you can check my previous video in my channel, or I will link it in this video. You can check this. I have a all tutorial already. So that is how, that is the basic things. So if you now want to know how to install Google Tag Manager, how to install in your website, and how to set up Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics, you can check my website or my YouTube channel. There is a tutorial about it. Thank you. We will talk about it in later videos, and subscribe to get this kind of videos more.